Hi, this is Stacy with WTI. I am having lots of fun straightening my hair thanks to this great straightener from VECONNI. Normally, I don't straighten my hair. I let the hairdresser do all the work for me. There's a few different reasons. One of them is time. This straightener is so easy to work with and easy to use thanks to the plates that glide over my hair really quickly. And so because it takes so much less time than I thought with this straightener, I'm really enjoying using it. Another thing that I don't like is that normally a straightener doesn't really heat up enough. I have really curly hair. This one has an option to go from 210 all the way up to 450, and it's really easy to adjust thanks to the buttons that are underneath inside the straightener. The straightener is really easy to grip. It opens and closes with ease. It glides over my hair thanks to the ion plates that are in here, and they're actually treated with essential oils. So your hair is not going to break or feel that it's getting dry from using the straightener, but rather it just glides over the hair and makes it really easy to work with. I'm super excited that I've been able to straighten my hair so much more lately. It's such a fun look for me, something different, and you can do curling with this straightener as well, thanks to its sleek and slim design. I've been getting lots of compliments when using the straightener, and I'm really loving being able to use it. I'm sure that you would benefit a lot from this easy to use straightener, but that's just my point of view.